Dear students, in this video section, I am going to teach you 7th standard English. That is the second terminal. First we go to see the prose. First prose we are going to see now. The title of the prose is Adventures of Don Quixote. How to pronounce? Don Quixote. In his adventures, we are going to see in this lesson. So this is very interesting story, my dear children. A very interesting and enthusiastic story. Before going to the lesson, now first you should understand what are the glossaries given in this lesson. So we go and see the glossary items which is given in the lesson. The first one, knights. What is it? Is knights? A man who served his lord as a mounted soldier in armor. The meaning of knights is a man who served his lord. A man who served for his lord. That is God. How no? As a mounted soldier in his armor. There is armor is present. The armor is for a soldier. Like that, a man served. So that is the meaning of the word knights. K silent here. Second glossary item is given incredible. What is incredible? It is unbelievable. It is not believable. Unbelievable. What is incredible meaning? Unbelievable. The third one, hilarious. Hilarious. It is amusing or entertaining. Hilarious means it is entertaining. The story itself very entertaining. While learning the story, when I am going to say the story, by that time you are getting more enthusiastic. That's what it is, very entertaining. The hilarious. Grace. It is giant or monster. Giant, it is very big. The man very big. That's we called a monster. You are very fear about monster, no? That's it is grace. Compact. What is it? Is compact? Fighting between armed forces. What is the meaning of compact? There is a fighting between armed forces. Next it is prodigious. What is prodigious? It is impressively great in extent. What is? It is impressively great in extent. It is prodigious. Next is steeds. The meaning of steeds is horse that is it is ridden. Horse that is ridden. Here ridden, it is the third form of ride. The first form of verb is ride, second form is rode, third form verb is it is ridden. So it is horse that is ridden, steeds mean. Next one it is spurs, a device with a small spike, spike. So it is the meaning of the word spurs. These are the glossary items is given in this lesson. What is? It is adventures of Don Quixote. Now we go for that interesting story about Don Quixote adventures. Now, once upon a time, the story started like this. Once upon a time, in a village called La Mancha. La Mancha, it is a village. La Mancha in Spain, the country name is Spain. There lived a man. In that village, there was a man lived. That man loved to read about knights. Loved to read about knights. An interesting story. An interesting one it is given in that knights. That's what the meaning is given. It is a man who served his lord. That is such a person. He is going to be read every day. Every day he would read about courageous knight. Courageous knights. Every day he read about courageous knights and the incredible adventures. He's not only reading courageous knights but also the knight that in the story is given incredible adventures. That's the only meaning of incredible. It is not a believable. Unbelievable things is done by the man. It's called it is incredible adventures they had. What are the adventures they had? That stories done we read every day. He hardly remembered to eat or sleep. While he was reading story, he hardly, the word is given hardly, it is a negative word. That means he does not remember to eat or sleep. Oh, that's such an interesting story he was reading. So he forgot about to read, even to forgot about to eat or sleep. Without eating, without sleeping, he's continuously reading such an interesting story. Like this, he was reading daily at night time. As years passed, Don Quixote imagines himself placed in the world of knights. One day, after reading many years, he thought himself the world of knights. He convinces Sancho Panza, that is another one person we are going to introduce in this. What is the name of the person? It is Sancho Panza. Who is Sancho Panza? No, a farmer from the same village. The Sancho Panza also lived in the same village. He was a farmer. So what is the work of Sancho Panza? No, to be his assistant. To be his assistant. Whose assistant? Who assisted Sancho Panza? Yes, Don Quixote assist. Okay, he is taken as a assist. Don sets on a journey with Sancho. He was started to journey with. To whom he started the journey? Good. Sancho, that is Sancho Panza. Now Don asked Sancho, if you serve me faithfully and honestly, if you be my servant, if you are serving me as faithfully and honestly, in a faithful manner as well as in honestly, I will give you reward. What is the reward? No. What he said, the reward of that, no? With an island, I give you reward. I give you reward. If you are serving to me in honestly manner, I give you an island. Oh, what a interesting, no? If you own an island, no person is telling I want you with your assistant. So the Sancho very soon. Then he remembered, he asked him, an island? Are you serious? Are you telling me you're serious? An island you are given to me? Asked Sancho. Yes. So will you come with me? Asked Don. Definitely, I give you an island if you serve honestly and faithfully. Definitely, I give you island. Then said Don, yes, master. Now, Don, because he has given that agreement he was given, so that Don, yes, master, I will come with you. They started journey. Okay. Then Sancho told him, yes, I am coming with you. After that response, they started journey. On the hill in front of them, they could see a large old mill. We know the old mill. It is the old mill is situated where? No, on hill station. The old mill is used to generate electricity. that we know. When the winds blows, by taking off the winds, the electricity is produced. That is called windmill. Its name itself called it is windmill. It is used to produce or to generate electricity. That was the large old windmill they see. Now Don said, "Looks also, how dare that unpleasant giant block our path." Then he imagined himself. Then he said Sancho, in front of them, then that unpleasant giant that's block our path because they are moving, they are walking, they see, but that actually was windmill. But for his imaginations, he see like there is unpleasant that's giant is block their path. He asked, where master? That is a windmill. No master, that is not a unpleasant giant. That was a windmill. Like that, that Sancho explained. I tell you, these are giant. No, Sancho, you are telling lie. You won't visible. These are all windmill. These are all not a windmill. They are giants. And if you are afraid, when you looking that you are afraid, so that you are telling that was windmill. But for me, I have seen that in my eyes, it was like this big giant, big monster. If you are, because you are very afraid, now he is telling by that time, go aside, go aside. While I engage them in fighting, you don't come with me, you go aside, stand there, or you can be take seat, because you are not coming with me just to watch what I am doing now. Now I am going to fight against the monster. Like that he explained. Now Don flew towards who he thought that he is going to do fight with that monster. Actually, that's not a monster, it is a windmill. Don flew towards the windmill collided towards the windmill and collided with it. Now he flew towards the windmill and collided with it. Just he dashed into the windmill and collided with it. Unfortunately, Don Quixote and Rocinante, it is a horse, the name of horse is Rocinante, charged the windmill at full speed. They started flew towards that. Even they charged the windmill with full speed. Master, are you alright? What happened now? When they dashed the windmill, Don Quixote dashed the windmill, they fell down. Now, Sancho comes very closer to Don. He asked him, Master, are you alright now? That's looks also the giant is more seriously wounded than I am. Okay, I am wounded. But when I dashed the giant, no, that was seriously wounded. Then compared to me, that was very seriously. Go and see like that, he was feeling. Then, yes, you are absolutely right. What you are saying that was right, said Sancho. The windmill was working perfectly fine. But for his imagination like that, I wounded, okay, it's good. Yes, for me, wounding is very little. But I dashed into the giant, he was thinking that was giant. That was seriously ill. Go on to see like that. But he was seen by the time. No, the windmill is perfectly working. So like that they are passing that. Now as Don Quixote and Sancho pass a farm. Next they are going to pass a farm. That hill is over. Their one situations, that their one story is over. Now they were passing another. They are crossing a farm. While crossing a farm, they saw a thick cloud of dust appear. While crossing the farm, very far, they have seen there was a thick cloud of dust appeared. Don told him that here was a great in extent marching army. What Don is thought, no, that's not a cloud, a dust of cloud, a great in extent army marching. There is army marching towards our direction, in that direction. They are moving in opposite that. Actually, there was a cloud, but he thought it is not a cloud. There was a great extent army marching in that direction. Don asked him, "Did you hear the sound of trumpets?" Don asked Sancho, "Did you hear the sound of trumpet?" Sancho is explained that his reply, "I hear nothing but the sound of many sheep, the sound, that sound, actually the Sancho hearing. And not hear any other sound, there are the many sheep, that sheep sound I am hearing. If you refuse to follow me to the battle," now the Sancho is telling, "Now I am going to do battle with that army, so this army people. If you refuse, if you are not coming to me, stand aside." Now again he is telling, "You stand aside," said Don. Don charged into midst of the sheep. Now is going to be charged into mid, that is midst of the sheep. Actually, there are many sheep. In middle of the sheep, just he is going to hit. He charged. At this frightened flood here and there. Frightened flood while he is going to be charging. By the time the sheep is going to be move here and there. Here they actually before that it was the same path is coming. He was hit, no. You was charging, no. By the time, no, the sheep are going here and there. It moves very fastly. The shepherd throwing stones to there. There is a man in shepherd who is taking care of sheep. No, the person is called a shepherd. He was throwing stone to Don, because Don is charging. No, he was throwing stones to the Don. That soon he fell wounded to the ground. By the time after hitting the stone, the Don fell down at the ground with a very big wound. Look, it is Don, the madman. After that, they come closer. The people who was there, no, in that surrounding, they come closer. They were seeing it was Don, the madman. The local farmer said they continued, he was crazy. Even not only they are saying the madman, he was crazy fellow. Because there are many farmers are there. By looking the incident, they were telling he was very crazy man. Oh, no master, listen very carefully. They are not welcoming you. They are not coming for welcoming you. But what Don thought, no, the farmers are coming to welcoming you, because he was won the battle with the soldier. Like that he was thought. Then they are coming to cheering for him. Product of imagination. He was a product of imagination. He thought like that. So before that, I took fight with. If I fought with the people, that is the windmill. Now that is I won the battle with the soldier. That is army people. He was imagined like that. But his house would always be full of children. Very near his house is always full of children, to whom he would tell the most fantastic stories about knights. So like that the story, imagine himself, he was telling daily the people, the children who and all that is living around him, that is the neighbor who are the children around him, he is telling like that imagination stories daily after this incident, because that he know there is no adventures, there is no even giant. But one day he was did like this, like a foolish thing. So he was imagining like that. Now he remembered, now he realized there is no adventures. It is what imagined story that was like that. He realized when he is telling daily stories like this story to the children. Even children getting very enthusiastic. So like that, the lesson is end. A very interesting story. No, there was two incident is given in the story. So like that, it is your textbook. This story was given nearly 708 pages. You go through the entire story in your textbook. You take your textbook and go through the story. While you are reading, you could understood very easily. So after completing this reading story, so there even the glossary items also given, that also you read very carefully. So now I am give you, that is after this video I send you short answers and synonyms, antonyms and paragraph questions for this lesson. You read very thoroughly that all the questions which are I am going to give you. Then you take your note. After reading that, you take your note and write that material which are I am going to give you, in this lesson material, that you write and keep. While coming to school, you should show to me, then I am going to put you sign. Okay. So weekly, after that, there will be a test for you next week. After completion of this, you may have test. You should write the test very carefully. Then you send the answer script to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay, children. Bye. Until then, take care. Good luck.